Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Realme 9i and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list and localize the contact you'd like to edit and then tap on it. Now let's tap on edit contact, and as you can see right in the middle actually we've got this camera icon, so let's tap. And here we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo, and after tapping on this option your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo of him or her, or you can choose a photo from the gallery, and I will pick this option, so let me tap on it. And as you can see here we have to decide where we want to complete this action, so using the gallery or Google Photos. I will pick the gallery this time. Of course, give all the permissions needed, and here we have to find the photo we would like to use and tap on it. Here again we have to decide where we want to crop the photo, and this time I will pick Google. Of course, again give all the permissions. And as you can see from this step we can adjust the size of this square, the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this highlighted area is responsible for it. Of course, if you want to, you can rotate the picture just like you want to. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on save copy. As you can see, it immediately appears right here instead of in the background of this camera icon. So remember to tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied to the contact, and after getting back it will be visible on the contact list and you will be able to see it whilst all incoming calls from that number. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your Realme 9i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.